In this video, let's talk about the way that you can fix the WhatsApp verification code not working. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to make sure is that if you're entering in your correct phone number as well as you're selecting your correct country code. If that is not the case, make sure you do so and try to see if you can now receive the code. Now if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can try out is try to restart your device. So just hop back out of WhatsApp and then you can just reboot your phone. Once you do this step, try to see if the code is now being received. Also, you can try to turn on and turn off the airplane mode and try to see if the issue is now fixed. The other thing that you can also try out is try to receive the code from either of the options, which is the voice call and the text message. Whenever you're inside of this section, you do have the option of the receiving the code via the SMS or the voice call option. So you can try switching between one of these options and try to see if you can now receive the code. Now, after doing all of these steps, you're still having this issue, then likely it is not the issue with your phone. It is likely the issue with WhatsApp. So you just need to wait out a couple of minutes before this issue is automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.